Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm at the historical city of Mainz, which is the capital of my state. So Mainz is a really historical city, and I'm standing in front of the Johannes Gutenberg memorial. See up there? That's Johannes Gutenberg, the father of the modern book press. In front of me is the Gutenberg Museum, and I'm doing a little toy hunt today because there are a few stores and I wasn't in Mainz for a long time. So let's see what we can find. Yay! Into is Müller, so let's see. Okay, so look at the cool dragons, how to Train Your Dragons 2 says. I love Toothless. He's so cute. There he is. Nope, nope, there. And there's some turtles. I don't like the new turtle style. They got some Baymax left. And a few Minecraft things. Checking out the Star Wars section, but there's really nothing special I like to collect. I'm searching for something to collect, but there's really nothing special I want. Okay, that print got Princess Leia for 15 bucks, but I don't like the Black series, and she's kinda looking ugly. Nope. Nothing for me here. Anybody afraid of clowns? I find them creepy in a way. Look at that huge Lego section. That's all Lego. Awesome. And they also got the new catalog. There. I also got a new catalog, which I got. I love that they got a real huge model train section. See, they got houses and buildings. A lot of cars and planes. I got some planes here, airports. A lot of cars, paint. Some more planes from different airlines. Cars, more cars. Trees and water. That's awesome. And people. Tiny little people. Look, the doll section. Saw nothing special. She's cool. Kiyomi Hauntalai. That one is awesome. They got some MLP and some little pet shop and some Philly. Oh, look, that set is so cute. It's Pinkie Pie gummy, boneless, and cheese sandwich. Oh look, they got some Chopkin stuff. Never saw the Fashion Spree set in Germany before. Or the ice card. That's cute. And they got the little life pads, the birds. Oh, battery is down. Oh no, battery's not down. Oh, she's sin. So nothing at Müller. I love the Pinkie Pie set, but it was too expensive here. So cheaper somewhere else. So heading to the next store. And next up is Galeria Kaufhof in Mainz. So let's see what they got. Oh look, the new Playmobil theme. Like forest rangers, and they got a new deer. The animals get more awesome and more awesome. Oh look, they got a pheasant. Where's the peacock? I really don't know. It looks like a pheasant. There is the new male deer. Look, they got Wally in the Lego section. The box is huge. Haven't seen him alive yet. Oh, he's so cute. I need him. But there's no price tag. But I will definitely get him. Maybe for my birthday, which is in April. So stay on the shelves till April. He's so cute. And last section to check out here. The toy section isn't that big in this Kaufhof. It was bigger when I was here last time. But last section is the Schleich section. Look at this cheetah. That is awesome. I think I'm going to collect Schleich again. I collected it a few years ago, and I think I'm going to collect it again. Because I thought that I don't really collect a lot of toys, so I have to pick out one particular theme, and maybe it's Schleich animals, because look at them. They get more awesome and more awesome in every year. That's crazy. So nothing at Kaufhof either. There is a comic shop nearby, so maybe I'll find that again. We stopped at Mainz. It's raining cats and dogs, so we thought, let's go to IKEA. So we're at IKEA and they got a toy store here. So we're heading to the toy store from IKEA after IKEA. But first, let's have lunch. Yay for Swedish lunch! Best thing at IKEA are the plushies. And look at that cute pink flamingo or whatever it is. And they are drawn by kids. And IKEA kind of produced them after the paintings. Look, that's a painting. That's a plushie. We definitely get one of these. And from the normal plush section, we got this little cute piggy. And they got this brown thing. And this black and white one. This cute little bat. They got this yellow thing. Nope. The pink one is the cutest one. So we get the pink one. So we had lunch at IKEA. And I got those two plushies. The pink one and the pig. And now we're heading to Speedy Max, IKEA brand of their toy store. And we'll see what they got there. Because I never was there before. And I also saw a new shelf in IKEA, which I will get for me next month. So I'm using the Kallax. And now to see what Speedy Max got. Oh look, they got the collector's edition of Draculaura. It's 99.99. That's crazy. I love the cabinet where the daughter is in. That's awesome. Somebody need a Beanie Boo? Look how giant they are. They're so cute. And they're so giant. Look guys, they got the ginormous Schleich elephant. Wow. That's awesome. And they got a huge Schleich section. Look, they got a bigger model train section than the store we were before. That's awesome. And they got models staying here. But there's no train. That kind of was the saddest toy store I've ever been to. There was a Toys R Us before, since I was born, since 1988, and they closed it for that. Okay, I'm really disappointed. But I got a cute plushies from IKEA. It's not raining anymore, so that's good. Yeah, that's it. That's the toy hunt for today. Not very successful, but I got 2 cute plushies. As usual, there's not much to buy in Germany. I think I would spend hundreds of dollars in a US store or in a Disney store, but in Germany it's kind of hard to find cool toys. So guys, thanks so much for watching. This is the toy hunt for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I could give you a quick look at the German toy sections. And I love you guys, and bye.